Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The best formation for burning wood in your open fireplace is to prop them up against each other so that the heat and flames can transfer between them for efficient burning, while also allowing air to circulate around the logs. 29 March 2020.
Take our lead.
Although they add a nice warm glow to a room, a fireplace, especially a wood-burning fireplace, usually draws more heat out of a home than it adds. Wood-burning fireplaces are mostly for aesthetics, and the truth is if you make them energy efficient, you'll lose some of those aesthetics. 6 October 2000.
Take our lead.
An open masonry or steel fireplace, gas or wood, will not be able to heat your home. Actually, these open fireplaces will cool down your home in the winter, taking your warm home air up the chimney. They may radiate heat in front of the fireplace, but they will not be able to heat an entire home. 15 January 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
It is not recommended that they be placed directly on top of a fireplace without some sort of buffer. Most fans, like box fans or tower fans, also have multiple energy-efficient speed settings. Save the highest speed for a hot summer's day. Your fan does not have to be on high to be effective at spreading heat. 2 January 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
5 tips to getting more warmth out of your fireplace. Do a damper check. If you think about it logically, the chimney allows airflow so that smoke can escape when you light a fire, but when not in use, you're letting the warm air from your home out. Caulk it. Keep heat in. Install a heat exchanger. Seal it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.